Hello everyone, this is Keshav and today we are going to be using MQTT in Smowcode. To get started, first of all, we need to configure the Wi-Fi network so that we can connect to the internet and then use the MQTT nodes to publish and subscribe to a topic. For that, we use the onStart node and we attach Wi-Fi start. So here we join them together. Here you can put your router name and password. Here you will see there is a Wi-Fi config. So we just, it's an empty right now. We just click on the pencil icon and it opens up. All the settings can be kept default. So we click on add and then we have our Wi-Fi ready to go. Next, what we do is we use the MQTT connect node. Now, once we connect this, here also we would be needing to provide a broker config. Let us stick with the default config. This is the standard test.mosquito.org MQTT server. More details about this particular MQTT server can be found on this website test.mosquito.org. Okay. All the other things can be done in case you want to use MQTT-S, which is MQTT secured, where you can provide your username, password, and client certificates if you want. Currently, we will keep all of them null for our testing. Alright, so that is this part of it. Next, let us now on interval, let's say every 1 second, we want to publish to a topic some sort of a value. We will just currently, as a test, we will just send a message named Smowcode. Okay, so here what we will get is let us display the message or display the status code of whatever we received. Here you can see there is a success flag. Here we are going to say message sent, and we will just concatenate this success flag with it. Alright, now that we have that in place, we can again use a subscribe node of MQTT. So as you can see, this is one event node that we have. This is the subscribe, MQTT subscribe. Here we have selected the broker config, whichever we would have initially created, this stays the same. Now, since our topic name is topic, we just keep it that way. And then we get two outputs, success flag and message. Here we can simply use the display node and display the received message. We will say this is the received message. Alright, so now that we have everything in place, you can pause the video, you can try to recreate this while I update my credentials and start the uploading process. Okay, I have now updated my Wi-Fi credentials and now we can proceed to upload our code into our microcontroller. As you can see, I already have a device connected. In case you do not see the device that is listed in this particular format, CP2102, so it means that you might not have installed the driver for the particular device, in which case you will get an error message on the IDE itself, which will help you with the installation process. We start connect and then we can see that it's building. Once the building is done, it starts flashing. In case the flashing hasn't started yet, you can click on the boot button and hold it down till it starts showing the progress. Okay, great. Now we are done with the flashing. So to see the progress, we can use an online serial monitor, the link of which will be provided in the video description. To test the output of our flow, we can go to this particular serial monitor by Google Chrome Labs and click on the connect button. So it again, the interface would be the same. You select your device and click on connect. Okay, sometimes it might happen that we were unable to connect to a Wi-Fi network, in which case you can press the EN button or the reset button. When that happens, it can connect to your Wi-Fi. So as you can see, as we are sending and we are able to receive this very message. Alright, so if we want to actually test out and verify that our ESP32 is publishing to the correct topic, we can use something like a web client for MQTT. For example, this is one of them. MQTT X is one of the products that can be used. Here we click on new connection and we can just name it, let's say, test connection. The host is WSS, that is WebSocket Secure. Since it is using WebSockets, we have to check which configuration we are using here. Alright, so it seems that WebSockets unencrypted, unauthenticated, we are using WebSockets encrypted and unauthenticated, that is 8081. And I'll just copy this particular URL without the HTTPS because this is the host name. Our path stays / which is default. Okay, and then we click on connect. Now that it mentions that it's connected, we click on new subscription and we mention topic because, well, we were publishing to the topic named topic. Okay, now when we press confirm and restart our ESP32, we should be able to see the output of, let's say, the message Smowcode. So as you can see, we start receiving the topic. Smowcode is the message. And that is all we wanted to show as the tutorial. Hope you liked the video. Thank you so much.